Hi, we're Matt and Debbie. This is Rolling with the Curves. Today we're at the Stonehouse Trail. We're going to take a hike to the Stonehouse, and we're going to go and talk to the docents and see what they have to say and tell us some history.
And Grizzly's super excited. Our Stonehouse Loop, 1.3 mile.
Okay, is out and back. So it's 1.3 each way. Aren't you done?
Come on, let's go.
This trail follows the shoreline to the Stonehouse. The view I never get tired of. It's like an obstacle course.
He says a drink. Where?
Oh, it's all dried up. It's pretty.
There's so much to see. I got to see it all. Right, Grizzly? The water's so calm and still today. For being Labor Day weekend, you'd think it'd be packed. Well, it's only 3 miles round trip, right?
Right.
Your location.
Where are we?
Where's Z?
That's right there. They had falconer.
Yes, that's what it was.
Yeah.
That was very cool.
That was.
They always have such good demonstrations of different animals. It's sad people can't carry their water bottles out to the end. They have to throw them into the woods. It's ridiculous.
It is. There's the boat dock.
Oh, what a big boy. What a big boy you are.
There it is.
Remember you putting that flag up?
Yep.
I think that was actually on a Labor Day, wasn't it? Or was that Memorial Day?
Memorial Day, I think. Oh, look at out in the lake. It's a beautiful day for that.
It sure is.
Some lucky person that didn't have to work. Is this where you used to tell ghost stories?
Yep.
That was all boarded up when I first came here the very first time too. So this is all recently renovated.
2000, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so. It's the old root cellar. It's still pretty creepy in the dark.
Very.
All the people that made this happen. More people that made this happen.
Floor up here, and they have a little porch on the side with the breeze.
This is the kitchen area. you.
What is this video for?
We're just vlogging. We have a Salt Fork series that we're making. We're starting out new, and we're RVers. We camp out here, and we travel, but we camp in the Salt Fork region. So we're here almost every weekend. My name is Matt. This is Debbie. What's your name?
I'm Matt and Janet.
Janet. And your name?
I'm Linda.
Hi, Linda. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
So
you.
yes, so the map you see on the wall, this is Salt Fork State Park, the largest state park in Ohio and the best kept secret. So you don't want to tell too many fans about this place because then it'll get noisy. You can go outside and you can hear yourself think. So when you look at this particular map, the pictures surrounding it, the ones that are in brown have a corresponding picture that goes with it. And these are the families. They sent out letters to everybody whose land was, purchased through eminent domain to create the park. And then those are the people who mailed in pictures and to be on the remembrance board. The front door, or the front window here of the lake, you can see that back in 1970, there was no lake. And we have a picture here. I don't know if you can get that. So you can see, here's the stone house. This was the road up to the stone house. A creek is down here, a little bridge is here.
Okay.
And so all of that.
And Hosak's cave would be where in that picture at the top?
It would be over here.
It would be, okay.
Yeah, because we're looking this way. Hosak's cave is out
Hosak's
that
cave
way.
is out that way.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
All right.
And so, so the road's underwater. There's a lot of buildings. So again, when they created the park, they had to remove churches, towns, cemeteries, all these fun things that they
Is
had
it
to
the
do.
McCleary Cemetery?
That one's above water.
That one's okay.
And that you can get
So they didn't
to.
move that one, yeah.
No, that one wasn't moved. So they moved them. And most of them, I think it's called Irish Ridge Cemetery, and it's on the north side of the park. Most of the ones that they dug up, from what I understand, a lot of them went to that particular cemetery.
Okay.
I mean, again, that's what we were told.
Right.
And then we came up with the legend story.
They come out and stop us or try to possess us.
Well, you're not allowed to touch the trunk.
Okay.
Now,
Both legends.
I can't wait. I'm just saying. Just don't touch the trunk.
Thank you so much.
You're so welcome.
It's so good talking to
Enjoy
you.
your stay, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, you're not.
Here's the Bible. It's got all the Kennedys in it.
Yeah.
I walked upstairs.
Let's go upstairs and look at that creepy.
Look at the birch logs.
You think they're real?
There, and I go upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know where it is.
Look at the size of that plane. Wow.
6x6.
Yeah, you think it flies? There's the trunk. The mystical trunk. Don't open it.
It says do not touch.
Uh-oh. They had a beautiful view of a dirt road.
Well, I show up Monday, iron on Tuesday. Cook
Yeah.
every day. Bake on Friday.
There's nothing about working though.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go back and move it.
Yeah, I found the creepy dolls.
Oh, great.
This one's looking at you. Its eyes follow you. Where have I seen one of these before? Headless lady. The dolls with no faces. Do you think they belong to a Bruja? There's those 1865 ceiling fans. Just a slice of history in Ohio. I didn't realize it was merino wool. Oh, it's that soft. Touch that. It says you can.
Wow,
Isn't that soft?
it is.
Oh, there's one of the sheep. He's not moving.
I don't remember this ever being on it.
Is that even on it now? That's not on it now. The whole front top. I'm going to get closer to that. The whole entranceway is different now. Probably when the tree fell, they took it down and took down the roof. There's the Kennedy family. Well, I learned a lot more about the place than I thought I would.
Yeah, and you can volunteer and stay in that house.
I'm good luck. You will this?
What about you? You're gonna stay with me? I saw the dolls with no faces.
You don't stay in this house. You should stay in the house at the
But
top
they
of the
could
hill.
travel.
Let's go.
You work 1 to 5.
And you still have to pay to stay.
You do?
That's what she said, I thought.
I didn't get that part.
Oh, she missed out the part to pay. All right, cut.
At the end of the day, we went over to Hosak's cave to see if we could find remnants of the old road that had been filled in with water.
On your way into Hosak's cave, you'll pass the Orange Trail. That's a spot where Bigfoot's been sighted. Hosak Cave Falls is a 50-foot tall seasonal waterfall located in the 17,000-acre Salt Fork State Park. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. No, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell. Remember, life's an adventure. Roll with it.